Dad always told me that never compromise with the fascist forces. Every citizen as an individual with equal rights. Despite Modi government ignoring the demands, and even while coming to Kerala, as all of you knows that my dad, National President of RJD, Sri Lalu Prasad Yadav ji, is not so well. He has kidney issues, he has a heart issue, but still, my dad always told me that never compromise with the fascist forces. I have come from a Bihar state, which is the poorest state of the country. And I have come to Kerala, where in Bihar we give examples that Bihar should be like Kerala. We are very proud of Keralam people and the Keralam state. Let us remind ourselves of what we have common. What do we need to focus on? What is it that our fight is about? Equality of opportunity. A child born poor should have the same real chance in life as a child born rich. This happens when good school, good doctors, and good nutrition and available to everyone, not just those who can pay. Social infrastructure, public investment in hospitals, schools, transport, and housing is a collective asset that raises the quality of life for everyone, especially the most unsafe. Social security, a strong welfare covering unemployment, old age, disability, and health, protects every citizen against caste-based discrimination. Dismantling caste-based discrimination requires active social reform, affirmative action, and cultural movement that asserts the equality, dignity of every human being. No one should face a closed door in education, employment, or daily life because of the family they were born into. Caste is not a tradition worth keeping. It is an injustice worth ending. Our secular society treats every citizen as an individual with equal rights. Your religion should never determine what opportunities you get or what dangers you face. A society that pits on one community against another only serves those in power, never ordinary people. Every young person deserves equality education, meaningful employment, affordable housing, and a political voice. Investing in youth is investing in the future of society. Itself, society owes young people a real shot, not just a motivational slogan. The economy and the state must serve human welfare, not the other way around. I'm very happy that CM Pinarayi Vijayan government in 10 years, he had done a lot of work for the society, for the Kerala state. And we give example of his work. During the COVID period also, the pandemic time also, he did a lot for the state and he has set an example how to do work in other states as well. There has been unmatched development in Kerala in last 10 years. Despite Modi government ignoring the demands and the needs of Kerala, central government always refused to extend any assistance to Kerala even during the natural calamities and disaster times. Every section of the society has been benefited by pro-people policies of LDF government. Rapid growth is visible across all sectors, from infrastructure to social welfare.